So hey guys, once again welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, we are back with another comparison video of two handsets. So first handset in our list is from Motorola, which is Motorola's Moto G57 Power. So this is a newly launched handset by Motorola, and from Power we have some clue that this must be a battery centric smartphone. And another one is from Vivo, which is Vivo's all-rounder T4x. So today in this video we will going to compare these two handsets, and in last we will find out which handset is better choice between these two in last of this video. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit that subscribe button, press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get straight into the video. So before starting guys, let me give you the information about the pricing. This Moto G57 Power is launched at rupees 14,000. We have just only one variant, and this Vivo T4x is available starting at rupees 13 to 14,000 depending upon the offer. So let me start with the display. So this Moto G57 Power and Vivo T4x, both of them comes with same size display, and we have same specs as well. We have just little changes. So both of them comes with 6.7 inches and full HD plus IPS LCD panel, and both of them comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, and we have 1050 nits peak brightness on both of them, and we have Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection in Moto G57 Power, and that is the difference. So now let me just come to the chipset department. So in Moto G57 Power, we have octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 with Adreno GPU obviously, and on the other end in this Vivo T4x we have octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, and it is a 4 nanometer based one and comes with Mali 615 GPU. So definitely guys, this is a better chipset I think. So now let me just come to the RAM and ROM department. So obviously I said Moto G57 comes with single 8 GB RAM with 256 GB of internal storage. On the other hand, Vivo comes with 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, and we have 256 GB storage as well, and we have 4 GB variant as well. So that is a lot of variety. So now in terms of Android version, we have Android 15 out of the box in Vivo T4x, and with Vivo UI, which is Fun TouchOS 15 out of the box, and Motorola comes with latest Android 16 out of the box with Moto's stock Android experience UI. So that is nice. So, and in terms of 5G, we have obviously 5G SA and SA support on both of them. Now coming to the camera department guys, so in Moto G57 we have dual rear sensors. So first sensor here is a 50MP shooter, which is from Sony, which is Sony's LYT600, and comes to secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and we have single 8 megapixel front with aperture f1.8. And on the other hand, in Vivo T4x we have dual rear sensors. So first one is again 50MP shooter with aperture f1.8, and this unknown sensor, and comes with 2MP depth sensor, and we have front 8MP shooter in this also with aperture f2.1. so that is nice. So obviously guys, in terms of cameras I think Motorola is better. And now in terms of fingerprint scanner, we have side mounted fingerprint scanner on both of them. Now we have MIL STD810H, which is military grade certification on both of them. So that is nice. And now coming to the this battery. So this is the main USP of both the devices actually. So battery capacity of this Moto G57 Power is 7000 mAh with 30-watt fast charging, and in this Vivo T4x we have 6500 mAh battery capacity with 33-watt fast charging. So that is almost same I think. So both of them are, as I said, are battery centric handsets. So we have very big size battery, that is very nice to see. So now coming to the conclusion, my opinion. So guys, I think overall Moto G57 power is a balanced device. So I think though Vivo T4x is hot selling and good device, but I think a T57 is slightly better. So that is why I think you should move on with Moto G57 power. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.